When a client comes in, they expect to see their car on the lift. They want to know it's theirs. Digital inspections, that's the perfect thing for that.
Our older clients love the digital inspections. It's not just for the millennials.
They'll check the brakes and the tires, and just if there's rust or some issue, they'll point it out.
If I'm telling you your brakes, you need brakes that are at 2 millimeters, I'm sending you a picture of your brake pad showing you, I'm not sending you a picture of a brake pad going, this is what it should be and this is where you are. It's 100% transparency. You can see everything that we're doing.
We tell them ahead of time, I'm gonna send you all kinds of pictures of your cars. You're gonna see things you probably don't want to know.
Like when you get that digital video, you're seeing your car up on the lift.
And then they can really see, okay, yes, I do need brakes. They're metal to metal.
And we do that, and you talk to someone shortly after you've sent this report. I love it. I love it.
It is. It's been a great selling point, and it's good to have it as a record.
We are a value shop. We want to be able to offer the client everything we can with no limitations.